Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you. It's for Hawaiian chicken salad. I absolutely love chicken salad, all types of chicken salad. I love to go to Chicken Salad Chick and try all the different ones. So today I'm going to be doing Hawaiian chicken salad, or with a Hawaiian flair to it. So let me show you what you're going to need. I will have the recipe linked in the description box as well as the ingredients on the screen. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that now. And if you enjoyed this video, just give me a thumbs up or a like. It really helps me out. I thank you for watching. Let's get started. I'm going to be using a rotisserie chicken. I'm going to chop that up here in a minute. I thought I would sprinkle just a little bit of sweetened coconut flakes in it, not a whole lot. I'm going to be using one small shallot, a sprinkling of pecan chips. Now, I really feel like macadamia nuts chopped would be delicious in this. If I had those, that's what I would put in it. I'm also going to do a little bit of chopped celery and some chopped pineapple chunks. Of course, you can also use a can of pineapple tidbits. And for the dressing, we're going to use mayo, a little bit of coconut milk, and some of these pineapple juices that we have from our pineapples. Let's put this together. So I just went ahead and deboned that chicken, rotisserie chicken, and I'm just going to cut our chicken up in some little chunks, or you can shred it by hand. It's really just how you like it. It's up to you. You can do it however you want to. I like rotisserie chicken, but you can use canned chicken. You can poach chicken. You can use grilled chicken or baked chicken. Just whatever you like. Just do it however you like and what is the most convenient for you. I don't want it in very tiny pieces, but I do want it to be in bite-sized pieces. I've got a bowl here I'm going to add it to. All right, so we've got our chicken in our bowl. I'm going to add a couple of these stems of celery. You could also use celery seed in this, would be good. I know some people don't enjoy watching me cut vegetables, and that's fine. If you don't, some people love the ASMR from it though. So I try to do a little bit of both. I try to cut them up, but put it on a speed lapse and mute it. So I just do the best I can with what I can. Okay, go ahead and put that in our bowl. Okay, we got our celery there. Now let's go ahead and add our shallot. You can also use red onion. I just prefer the shallot for the chicken salad. I think it's a lot more mild than a red onion. I love red onion, but it's so strong, and I don't want it to overpower the chicken flavor. Okay. We got our celery, our chicken, and our onions. Now let's get our pineapple chopped up. I just bought a chunk of pineapple. You could definitely use the canned pineapple tidbits. You could use, your own fresh pineapple. It's really just what you enjoy or you like. Okay, we've got all of our ingredients in there. I'm going to add a little bit of pecan pieces. Now, like I said, I think that macadamia nut pieces would be delicious here. And I'm not going to add a ton of them. But add what you like. I'm also going to add just a little bit of this sweetened coconut flakes. Not a ton, but a little bit. Just a sprinkling. Okay. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Okay. Now we're going to take our spoon, stir that up really well. And then we're going to make our dressing. Well, just dumped some of it out, didn't I? Let me know, do you like chicken salad? And what's your favorite chicken salad way of eating it? Is it a savory, a sweet, a spicy, a barbecue? There's so many different ways that you can make it that, oh goodness, that you could make it and go on and on and on for the different things. Okay, I'm going to use about a cup of mayonnaise. About that much. And then I'm going to open up my can of coconut milk. Okay, I'm going to use some of this coconut milk. Now you have to stir it in there usually. It all settles at the bottom, but I'm just going to use some of this liquid. Okay. Use a little bit more. So a couple tablespoons of coconut milk, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Stir that up really well. Let's taste it and see if we need to add anything. I think it needs something fresh. I'm going to put a little squeeze of lime in it. Just going to squeeze some of that lime juice in there. I didn't have any pineapple juice left in that, so this might be where if you do the pineapple tidbits, keep your juice. Let's taste it. Yeah, that tastes a lot better. Let's pour our dressing in. Stir it up. You could put a little drizzle of honey if you wanted to make it more sweet. We'll check it and see. If you want to put some honey in that dressing, you could do that. I do think if we had pineapple juice that it would definitely take care of that sweet factor. Okay. A little bit of pineapple, celery, chicken, a little bite of everything there. Okay, let's try it. That's good. I think it does need a little bit of sweetness though. Let me get my honey. I'm going to put just a drizzle. I mean just a small drizzle. Now when you make your dressing, you should probably do this in it, okay? But now I like sweet chicken salad. If you don't want sweet chicken salad, that's fine. I'll tell you this, that scallion tastes perfect with it. Not scallion, I meant shallot. All right, let's try another bite. Let's get a pecan and celery. Let's get another bite. That is delicious. That is so good. It's not too sweet. It's not too salty. The onion doesn't make it too tart. It's a very good blend. Very balanced. I hope that you all will try this recipe. Let me know if you make it, what you thought about it. And like I said, you could do more coconut flakes. I think a macadamia nuts would be delicious in it. I also think adding some pineapple juice would perfectly set it off. So I hope you make it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.